Good morning, class 9. Today we will discuss what is molecular mass and how we can calculate the molecular mass of a given compound. So let's start. Mole- Students, we have studied that the mass of atoms of an element is called its atomic mass. In the same way, molecular mass is the mass of a molecule of a chemical compound that is known as its molecular mass. For example, molecular mass of ammonia. This indicates the one molecule of ammonia and its molecular mass. When we find out the molecular mass of this ammonia, it contains one atom of nitrogen and three atoms of hydrogen. So when we sum up the mass of one atom of nitrogen and three atoms of hydrogen, that gives the molecular mass of one molecule of ammonia. This molecular mass is also compared with a standard unit, and that standard unit is carbon 12 atom. So we can define the molecular mass in the another way, that molecular mass is the average relative mass of a molecule compared with 1 by 12 mass of carbon 12 atom, which is taken as 1 unit. So this is also called molecular mass. Now how we can find out the molecular mass? For the calculation of molecular mass of a substance can be calculated as I told you, the sum of atomic masses of all atoms present in a molecule. For example, if you will find out the molecular mass of ammonia, then molecular mass of ammonia is equals to atomic mass of one nitrogen atom plus 3 into mass of hydrogen atom. And we know that mass of nitrogen is mass of one nitrogen is equals to 14 unit. This U means atomic mass unit. It indicates atomic mass unit. So it is 14U, and mass of hydrogen, one hydrogen is equals to 1 unit. When we put the value of these nitrogen and hydrogen, we get mass of nitrogen, it is 14 plus 3 into mass of hydrogen 1, that is 14 plus 3 is equals to 17. 17 unit is thus 17 unit is the mass of one molecule of ammonia. By this way we can calculate the molecular mass of a given compound. Now students, with the help of some examples we can understand this will more. How we can find out the molecular mass of water? Water formula is H2O. So for finding the molecular mass of water, the molecular mass of water is mass of hydrogen atom into 2 because it contains 2 hydrogen atom plus mass of 1 oxygen atom. So mass of 1 hydrogen atom is 1 and mass of 1 oxygen atom is 16. By putting this value we get 2 into 1 plus 16 and that is 18 unit. This 18 unit is the molecular mass of water. Similarly, molecular mass of sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide formula is SO2. Molecular mass of SO2 is equals to mass of one sulfur atom plus mass of oxygen atom into 2 because 2 atoms of oxygen is present here. Atomic mass of sulfur is 32 unit and atomic mass of oxygen is 16 unit. So by putting the value of this sulfur and oxygen we get 32 plus 2 into 16, that is 64 unit. Similarly, mass of one molecule of oxygen. One molecule of oxygen contains 2 oxygen atoms. So it is 2 into mass of one oxygen atom and mass of one oxygen atom is 16. So it is 2 into 16, 32 units. Similarly, mass of sulfur, one molecule of sulfur contain 8 atom of sulfur. So its molecular mass is equals to 8 into mass of one sulfur atom, and mass of one sulfur atom is 32. So 32 into 8, we get 256 unit. That is the molecular mass of one molecule of sulfur. Similarly, one molecule of HNO3, nitric acid, formula is HNO3, and its molecular mass is equals to mass of one hydrogen atom plus mass of one nitrogen atom plus 3 into mass of one oxygen atom. And mass of one hydrogen is 1, mass of one nitrogen is 14, 3 into mass of one oxygen is 16, and we get 63 unit. When molecular mass expressed in gram, we can also express the molecular mass in gram, then it is named as gram molecular mass. It means the mass of water when we expressed in gram, when we expressed it in the 18 gram, then it is called its gram molecular mass. Similarly, this we can also express in gram, 64 gram, and that is its gram molecular mass. It means when we express the molecular mass in gram, that is its gram molecular mass. So firstly, you will try to find out the molecular mass of a given compounds. I am giving you some compounds. You will do these questions in your copy. Thank you.